Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 6 science chapter 5 separation of substances. In this chapter we discussed some methods for the separation of substances like thrashing, winnowing, hand picking, sieving, magnetic separation, and decantation. Today I will start a new topic in this sequence, the loading. Loading is also sometimes used for the separation of substances. This is also a method by which we can separate the substance from the given mixture. This method is applicable for the substance which is a liquid and a solid substance which is insoluble in solid substance which is insoluble in liquid. If the solid substance is insoluble in liquid, so by using this loading method we can separate the solid substance from the liquid mixture solution. Loading means basically something we put on the another object. For example, suppose that here is a box and we put another box on it. It means suppose that this is box A and this is box B, and put box B on the another box A. We can say that box B is loaded on box A. We can say that box B is loaded on box A. Generally we can say that this substance is loaded in the truck or in a mini truck or in any carriage wagon. Loaded means something is put on the another object. This is called the basic meaning of loading. So how let us see how loading is useful here. Here loading is useful for the substance which is lighter in weight, means light solid substance is mixed in a liquid solution or we can say that present in a liquid solution, then how can we separate this solid substance from the given solution? For example, suppose that we have a mixture of muddy clay particles and water, and we need to separate these clay particles from the water solution or from the given mixture. All of you know that these clay particles are very light in weight and they are insoluble in water. They are lightweight and insoluble in water. So it takes more and more time to settle down this clay particle at the bottom, as we seen in the decantation process. Decantation process is applicable for the separation of solid heavier particles present in the liquid solution. We also perform air decantation process, but the particle we took here is lighter in weight. That's why it takes more and more time to settle down at the bottom. Means loading is used to make lighter insoluble particles present in a mixture loading is used to make lighter insoluble particles present in a mixture to make them heavier so that they are They are fastly settles down at the bottom, and then we use decantation process to separate the insoluble muddy clay particles from the given mixture. So the basic use of loading is, why this process is called loading process or loading method, because any another substance or material we add in the given mixture to make them the muddy clay particles into a heavier particles, and they easily or fastly settles down at the bottom of the beaker, and hence we can separate these particles by the method of decantation easily. So loading is involved only for the making the lighter particles into a heavier particles. So what substance or material we add in the given mixture? In loading method, for example, we have a mixture of muddy clay particle and water. We use, let us draw another diagram. This is the mixture of muddy clay particles and water. We use alum piece, small alum piece, which is tied with a thread, and we rotates this alum with the help of this thread either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction for 3 or 4 times, by holding from the thread, and after that the piece of alum is taken out from the beaker. What happens when we rotate the alum piece in muddy water? Some of the alums dissolve in water, and the particles of dissolved alum deposited on the suspended clay particles of muddy water. After rotating the alum piece, some piece of alum or some particles of alums are removed from the alum piece, and they get deposited on the light muddy clay particles, and hence the suspended clay particles become loaded with heavy alum particles. Means the basic meaning of loading is clear from here. Means the only use of alum is to make the light muddy particles into heavier. because these alum particles are deposited onto the muddy clay particles, and by doing so these light particles are becomes or loaded with the heavy alum particle. Due to this, the clay particles become quite heavy and settles down at the bottom. They becomes heavy and settles down at the bottom rapidly, or we can say fastly. And clear water is left over this layer. Means two layers are formed in the decantation process. One is the heavier layer of particles, and another is the clean water layer. And this clean water layer is obtained by using the decantation method, as we explained in the last video. And in this way the clay particles remain behind in the beaker. So loading is a method which involves decantation method also, and in this way we can separate a lighter insoluble particles which is also present in the given mixture. For example, you see here how we can separate the muddy clay particles from the water mixture. Okay, thank you.